Say it with me now. Say it with me. Say it with me. You already know what I'm gonna say. Say it with me. Cathie Wood. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm Zeke, and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm going to show you what Cathie Wood added to the ARKK portfolio. Well, not added to the portfolio, what she's been investing into this portfolio. That she spent over $533 million in this one particular stock inside of this one industry that has the potential to grow over $300 billion by the year 2025. I'm going to tell you what stock she's investing into and how we can invest into it ourselves. Also, I'm going to show you another stocks that's very comparable to that, just in case that we can have a little diversification inside of our portfolio. Both of these stocks can give us a great opportunity to grow our portfolio very fast. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now, deposit $100 and get your 4 free stocks. Also, join my Discord by clicking the link to Patreon down below. Over there, you get a lot more exclusive access to my market analysis and when I buy and sell these certain stocks. So if you guys want to keep up with that, join the Patreon link down below. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. So the stock that she's investing into is a game changer. Literally, it is a game changer. So let's go ahead and dive in right quick. I'm gonna show you what she's investing into, what she spent millions of dollars on, and then we're gonna go over how this could help us grow our portfolio very fast. So let's go. We're over on the ARKfunds.com website. We're gonna click on active ETFs and go to the ARKK Innovation Portfolio. We're gonna scroll down and then we're gonna click on Fund Holdings, the PDF. And the one that we're particularly looking at is the number 14 holding out of her entire portfolio, Tencent Holdings, ticker symbol TCEHY. And she has over 5.9 million shares worth around $533 million. Now, what is Tencent Holding? Tencent Holding is investing into games, right? I told you it was a game changer. She invests. Now, it's a little different than investing into games. So I'm going to give you the game one in just a second. But Tencent Holding, they are focused on mobile gaming. All of the microtransactions. Mobile gaming is blowing up, where most gamers actually game on their phones, on different apps, on their iPad, then actual gamers game on their PC and or video games, because the phone is access to millions of people out there. So video games like the Xbox, PlayStation 5 or computer gaming, they're more adults and our kids have those systems to play video games. But you have to be at home to play these games. Now, anyone over the age of 40, any adult, any parent, they are playing Candy Crush, they're playing Farmville right from their phone because everyone has a mobile device. The App Store is blowing up, and Tencent Holdings focus on mobile gaming. They do have other video games, but they focus on mobile gaming, and that industry is blowing up. If we click right here, the video game industry is growing so fast that some believe it will reach over $300 billion by the year 2025. With billions of dollars in profit and over 2.5 billion gamers around the world, we expect video game platforms to continue developing in 2020. Now, with 2.5 billion gamers having consoles, there's even more people that have phones, and the mobile gaming industry is growing so fast. Now, the gaming industry itself is growing at an enormous rate to where now there are some professional gamers that make more money than professional athletes, than professional rappers, and they actually have scholarships to where you could go to college off a gaming scholarship. That is how fast the gaming industry is growing, and we're gonna try to get in early to try to get this wave in early and ride it right on up to grow our portfolio very fast. So we're gonna go over to Seeking Alpha. We're gonna take a quick look at Tencent Holding, and then I'm gonna give you another gaming stock that doesn't focus on mobile games. They focus on the big games: Sony, Nvidia, AMD, Microsoft, Xbox. They focus on the big gaming industry and how that is growing at an enormous rate as well. So let's go ahead over to Seeking Alpha right quick. Here we are on Tencent Holdings, ticker symbol TCEHY. Right now they're at $90.35, and over the last year they're up 77.31%. That is insane for them to be up so much in just a single year, guys. 77% in a single year. That shows you the power of mobile gaming. All right, so that is Tencent Holdings, guys. Now the next stock I'm gonna show you, I lied. It's not a stock. It is an ETF. So it is Hero ETF, HERO. Let's click on that right click. It is the global video game and esports ETF. And we all know how big esports is. You can make millions and millions of dollars by winning one of these esports tournaments. And here we go. Over the last year, Hero is around $33.96 at the recording of this video. And over the last year, they're up 96% in the last year alone. A lot of gamers was at home playing video games. But if we take a look at what companies are inside of their ETF, we're gonna click on holdings and scroll down to that top 10 holdings. Here we go on that top 10 holdings. It is CLTD, Billboard, Nintendo, Nvidia, Blizzard. Ooh, I love Blizzard. Capcom, NetEase, that focuses on mobile gaming as well. Nexon, Electronic Arts, EA Sports is in the game, all the Madden games, right? Take-Two, and so that is their top 10 holdings. They have a total of 44 other gaming type or technology type companies inside of their portfolio. And that's how they was able to grow their portfolio by 97% in a single year, was through esports and other gaming. So if you guys want to focus on mobile gaming, Tencent Holdings might be the way to go. Cathie Wood is investing into Tencent Holdings. That means she got a lot of belief into that company and that mobile gaming is going to be very, very big. But if you want to invest into regular video games, Xbox, PlayStation, Sony, EA Sports, Electronic Arts, Blizzard, Capcom, companies like that, and then this ETF right here, HERO, might be the way to go. It's at $33.96. Not a bad company at all. It might be overpriced right now. Might want to wait for a pullback. I'm going to do a complete market analysis over this. If you guys want to see market analysis and suggest market analysis to me, subscribe to my Patreon down below. Let me know what market analysis you want me to do, and then I'll do it on my Patreon so you guys can see exactly what price points I'm willing to buy Hero at right now, since it's overpriced right now. So if you guys want to see that, click the link down below in the comment section. All right, guys, there we go. Tell me, what do you think about the gaming industry? I know it is big. I think it will be a $300 billion industry by the year 2025. So if we're getting in 4 years ahead of time, we could possibly, I think that we can make around a 30 to 40% over time if we get in at the right price. I'm gonna wait for it to pull back just a little bit, but y'all know I'm a roll with my girl Cathie Wood. So I'm gonna keep a very close eye on Tencent's holding. And when she adds some more to her portfolio, I'm 90% sure I'm gonna add some Tencent holdings to my portfolio, because I am and you guys know what I say all the time, I invest into companies that I actually believe in and companies that I actually use. I play video games on my phone all the time. Those microtransactions is very annoying, but people actually buy those microtransactions when your grandma's playing Candy Crush and she's out of lives on Candy Crush and she just need one more life to beat that level. She's gonna spend that 99 cents to get that extra life, and that's gonna roll on over to Tencent's holdings, and that's how we make our money, baby. So let's go ahead and keep an eye on Tencent's holding and on Hero. The video game industry is gonna be booming in the near future. Let me know down in the comment section. Are you a professional gamer yourself? What do you think about gaming? Is gaming a profession? Can you be a professional gamer? A lot of people like to hate on gaming, but hey, money talk, man. Hey, money talk, you know, money talk. So if you out there making millions of dollars playing video games, hey, you're a professional athlete in my eyes, as long as you're making money. But you let me know your opinion down in the comment section down below. But if you want to keep up with more investment opportunities like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Other than that, I'm Zeke, bring you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.